All right, you guys, this is the exact same problem that I did in class on Monday, January 25th. And I want to show you, maybe at an even slower pace, how we solve and graph these piecewise functions. So I have the equation 2x, and that's going to be from 0 to 3. And then I have the equation x plus 3, and that's going to be for everything greater than 3. So first, something that I can think about is just what are my inputs? So my first ones are going to be 0, 1, 2, and 3. I'm going to put those in red to remind myself that those are using the red part of our function. Then I'm going to think about numbers greater than 3. But I also need a kind of to know what happens with 3 in this equation. It's not part of this equation because we only have it x is greater than 3, but x does have a relationship with 3. So we're going to put that, I'm going to put that in a different color just to show that we want to know what happens there. Then things that are greater than 3 are 4 and 5. So these are my inputs. Then I'm going to evaluate. So these are my inputs. I'm going to evaluate these to get my outputs, and I'm going to have an ordered pair after that. So let's make a little table of values here. Okay. So if I input 0, that's going to be 2 times 0, because it's a part of my red graph, my red part, and my red part says I'm going to multiply all my inputs by 2. So 2 times 0 is 2. My first ordered pair is 0, 0. So I can come to my graph, and my first point is going to be 0, 0. Next, I have the point 1. I'm going to do 2 times 1. 2 times 1 is 2. So my next one is 1, 2. And I'm going to put that at the point 1, 2. Next, I have the input 2. 2 times 2 is 4. So my next one is at 2, 4. Whoops. So I come to my graph and I'm at 2, 4. Next, I have the point 3. I'm going to input that into my red. 2 times 3 is 6. So my next one is 2, 6. I'm sorry. My next point is 3, 6. So 3, 6. All right, now I'm done with all the ones that I put in my red category. Now I have this hinge point. So I want to know what happens in the blue with 3. So if I were to put 3 here, it would be 3 plus 3 is 6. That would get me 3, 6. If these are the same, then my red and my blue are going to be connected. And they are the same. Same equals connected. Ooh. So now I can do my blue. Input 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. So I end up with 4, 7. 4, 7. My next one is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. I end up with 5, 8. I can put that on my graph. Now I can connect here. That's going to go on forever. I connect my red ones, and I have my completed graph.